So jobs that are most likely to be affected by AI involved programming or jobs requiring writing skills, telemarketing professionals, programmers, translators, lawyers, accountants, or teachers. And then the jobs that are least going to be affected by AI includes athletes, cooks, bricklayers, machine operators, mechanics, and installers. However, jobs that are more protected from AI involves jobs relating to public relations or that require scientific skills, and the involvement of critical thinking will be more protected. Hey guys, my name is Manuel Ovo and you're welcome to the channel. Please, I implore you to not panic. Be like me. Right now, I am looking into career opportunities and the industries that will be around when the AI dust settles. Because if you think about it, every single time humanity has moved from one civilization to the next, we have never gone back. And we know that history repeats itself. So it's only wise if we take what we see and then use it to start building a strategy of how we can adapt to this change. Because as Tai Lopez said, in animal kingdom, it is not the strongest animal that survives, but the one that is most adaptable to change that survives. So that's it for this video. I hope you start thinking in new ways you can adapt. I hope you start searching out for opportunities. And I know that this change will birth a new era of industries and career opportunities and career paths. And whatever be the case that you find, please feel free to share your observations or findings in the comment sections. And I hope that you commit to making the necessary moves to make that change. I will see you guys again.